There you are. So lots happened in the past, let's say, month or so on TAL. Well, not on TAL, behind the scenes on TAL, let me say that. Basically, the M135i, yeah, I sold that car. Reason being, well, to cut a long story short, I felt it was time for that car to go. So that wasn't long ago that I sold that car, maybe 2 or 3 weeks back even. And I didn't expect to get a replacement so soon for that car. Look, there were many options, of course. I didn't really have my heart or my mindset on one car in particular, you know. I didn't say like, okay, I want Audi RS3, so I'm only going to look for that. There were many options. RS3, M2, M3, M4. I wanted something a little bit smaller, not too big, you know. Even like I said, M3, M4, not too bad. Giulia QV, that was a nice option also. So many options, and I was looking around. You know, when you sell your car, you always have that feeling immediately, like, okay, I want something else. Let me start searching immediately. So I was having a look around all over, checked Auto Trader, and I found a car that I liked. Ended up making an offer. You'll have to excuse the very dirty car. So that's what we've done, everyone. We have an M6 added to the channel. It's actually my first M car. A few reasons why I bought it. I've done it for about 500 Ks now. I have an opinion on the car. I do like it, of course, but there are things that I do not like. Full review will be coming soon. Anything you guys want to know about the car, anything else, comment down below. This is the last video. Well, actually, this, by the time it's posted, will be the first video of 2021. So we're starting 2021 off with an M6. Not bad at all. That's about it for this video. Let me take you guys for a little drive just so you can hear the sound, and that's about it. Stay tuned for more.